How to see messages on Instagram without seen. So all you have to do is here to open your Instagram application here, and as you can see on the upper right, you'll see the messenger icon there. Tap on that, and as you can see under my messages there, someone sent a message. Now if you want to read the message without letting them know that you have read it, is what you want to do is to actually turn off your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and turning on your airplane mode. So you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is not connected to anything. Is not connected to anything. Then here, go back and tap on open your message here, and it will look like this. Then you can read the message there. Now, if you're done reading, what you want to do next is to go back here and go to your profile area, and then on the upper right you will see the three dash lines there. Tap on that and go to settings. Now here on settings, what I want you to do next is to scroll all the way down up until you see the login section, and tap on log out your account and not now, then confirm to log out. Here it will look like this. Now what you want to do next is to go back here to home page and delete the Instagram here from your history, and then what you want to do next is to actually toggle off again the airplane mode and turn on your Wi-Fi. And here, go to your Instagram again, tap on login. Now it will redirect you here, and if you go back here to messages, as you can see, you still haven't read the message. And basically, that's how you see messages on Instagram without seen. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.